Good day, my friends. I hope you all are doing well. Welcome to this episode of the Outdoor Gear Review. Thank you so much for tuning in. Over the years, I've been testing out a lot of chairs and seating options while searching for the right product. A product that actually makes sense to carry with you on a backpacking adventure. I've been doing YouTube for about 11 to 12 years now, and finally, after a ton of searching, I have found the perfect product. A product that checks off every single category that's important when it comes to a seating product, as far as backpacking goes. When you're looking for such a product, this is what you need to consider. You need to consider the weight of the product. If it's too heavy, you're not going to want to carry it. Pack size. If it's too big and it takes up too much space inside of your backpack, the odds are you're not going to take it with you. Cost. A lot of people do not want to spend $160 on a chair. It's a simple product. It's something you're going to sit on. It should be inexpensive. The last category is very important, and that is comfort. It has to be lightweight, it has to be compact, it has to be inexpensive, and it has to be comfortable. There is a ton of ultralight chairs, stools, seating products, and so on out on the market today, but just because they're lightweight does not make them comfortable. Oftentimes, they have to sacrifice comfort to make it lightweight. With that being said, over the years, I have tested out and reviewed a ton of seating options. Every single one of them had some sort of flaw. Maybe it was too heavy, too large, too expensive, not comfortable enough. That was the case until March of 2024 when I discovered this here. This is the NatureHike YL08 Ultralight Camping Chair. It needs to be mentioned right now. This is an agenda-free review. I do not care if you purchase this. I purchased this with my own money. I am simply sharing my thoughts and opinions with you all. This channel never, ever has a sponsor, and it never will. Anyways, my friends, this is the very first chair that I have ever come across that I've used, tested, and now reviewed that checks off every single important category. It's light enough weight to carry on a backpacking trip. It's rather inexpensive, especially compared to chairs that have similar weights. It is small enough to fit in your typical backpack, and at the same time, it is incredibly comfortable. If you decide to purchase this chair, this is what you're going to receive. You get the storage bag, 2 grab handles, a single zipper. Here's the seat and the backing, and here is the frame. And here we have the feet for this chair. They are detachable. And basically, these prevent you from sinking into the mud. Putting this chair together is super simple. This takes literally a minute, maybe less. Once you have the frame set up, it's time to install the backing and the seat, which is very simple. Before I get to the pros and cons that I have for this chair, let's go over some stats really quick. Again, this is model LY08. It is available in 2 colors, green and also yellow. I have to say the yellow version looks pretty cool. It's not a bright yellow, it's kind of like a vintage yellow, and I like it. This chair features a 70/75 alloy frame, and the backing is a 600 denier Oxford polyester. When it's stored, it is only 14 inches long and 4 inches thick. The weight of the chair is only 1.9 pounds. If you add in the storage bag and the feet, you're looking at 2.4 pounds. It can support 265 pounds. And the cost of this chair at the time of filming on Amazon is $45. Now, please know this, folks. I do have a preview concerning this chair, and I go over every single stat, every measurement. So if you have questions after watching this review, make sure to check out the preview, as likely I touch upon everything that you're interested in knowing. Now, everyone, let's talk about my testing with this product here. I have been testing this out since March of 2024. I have used it in the hot months, in the cold months. I've used it out in the rain, in the snow, in the ice, and on beautiful days. I've been testing this out for a long time, and I can easily tell you all this is the best seating option that I've come across. It makes a lot of sense in a lot of ways. Once you factor in the categories that I mentioned before, this one checks off every single one. Do you really want to go out and spend $160 on a chair that weighs just a little bit less than this? That may not be as comfortable as this? For most people, the answer is no. Most people go camping a few times a year, and they do not have the need or the desire to spend that much money on a chair. Again, everybody, we're talking about something that's super simple, something that you're going to sit on. With that being said, if you're a thru hiker and your luxury is a seat, then you may want to consider an ultralight option. This would not be for you. There are other products out there. Products that are very expensive. Those products are expensive because when every ounce counts, the price goes up. And it totally makes sense to spend a lot of money on an ultralight product. But for everyone else, you can save a lot of money, get a great product that's lightweight, comfortable, doesn't take up much space, and doesn't cost a lot of money. Win, 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 win. And that is where this chair comes in. Starting with the pros, the quality of this chair has been fantastic. Everything about it is high quality. Even though the price is low, the quality is fantastic. When you go hands-on with this chair, it's going to impress you. It really does feel higher quality than it should be at this price. Even the storage bag is of an extremely high quality. It feels premium in the hand. And as far as features go, there's nothing here that's lacking. There's no loose threads, nothing like that. Everything here looks excellent. Yes, the weight for this chair is very impressive. Again, under 2 pounds for the chair itself, 2.4 pounds for everything else. This, again, makes a lot of sense. You can add that much weight to your backpacking kit and you're not going to notice it. This chair weighs under 2 pounds, 1.9 pounds. The Hillinox Zero chair is the lightest chair that I'm aware of. It weighs 1.1 pounds and costs over $160. Are you willing to pay that much more for less than 1 pound of difference? Well, it's up to you, of course. But for myself, in most cases, I'm not. The pack size is excellent, as it doesn't take up much space inside of your backpack. The amount of space that it does take up is completely reasonable. Next, everyone, the color of this chair is excellent. I love this green, and again, I also like the vintage yellow color. Both are pretty slick, in my opinion. When it comes to the anti-sink feet, they work amazingly well. Honestly, I wasn't sure that I was going to like those. They look a little goofy with these little half balls down there, but I tell you what, they really do work. They work fantastic on soft soils, mud, dirt, and so on. The only environment that I have not tested out with this chair and those feet is the sand, like out on the coast, on a beach, something like that. Considering the fact this chair is designed to be ultralight in nature, the weight limit of 265 pounds makes sense. If you're over that, the company does make other chairs with higher weight limits. The YL05 has a weight limit of 330 pounds. This chair is completely comfortable, just as comfortable as any other folding camp chair. NatureHike has not cut any corners as far as comfort goes with this product. And I'm impressed. A lot of companies make their products very uncomfortable to get the weight down, but that has not happened here. Something else I like about the chair is the fact that it's very simple. It is very simple to put together, very simple to break down, and you can easily get it to fit in the storage bag. The storage bag is large enough for the chair and all of the components, which is nice. I'll be honest, nothing pisses me off more when I'm done with a trip and I'm trying to pack everything up and I can't get it to fit back in the storage bag. There are plenty of chairs, tables, other products where the struggle is real. Luckily, there's no struggle here, everything fits. The next pro, of course, is cost and value. When you compare this to other products that are out on the market today, this makes a lot of sense. The weight is low, the comfort is good, the pack size is excellent, and it is comfortable. All at a low price. You can easily go out and spend over $120, $30 more, even more than that, and get a chair that's very similar to this. It's all about the name brand in a lot of cases. And the thing is this, those products do absolutely nothing different than this one here. And that, my friends, takes us over to the cons for this chair. I don't have any. There are no issues with this product. None at all. To summarize, folks, when it comes to this product, it really does check off every single one of those categories. Ultimately, I can easily recommend it because it's that good. It just makes a lot of sense from multiple perspectives. You could throw this inside of your backpack, go on a backpacking trip, and enjoy the luxury of having a seat with you. You don't have to sit on that wet log, that wet stump. You don't have to sit on that cold rock. You have a nice place to sit down. It comes with the feet so you don't sink in the soil. And folks, it doesn't cost a lot of money while being very comfortable. It's because of all of that that I can easily recommend this product. Again, I don't care if you buy this product. It means nothing to me. In the end, this is a fantastic product. And there's a reason why I've been using this on just about every single adventure that I put up every single week since March of last year. It is simply that good. For 98% of the adventures that I go on, I take this chair. For the other 2%, we're talking about longer distance hikes, where weight is an absolute priority. For those adventures, I take a product with me called the Big Agnes Skyline Stool. That stool weighs only 1 pound, 4.5 ounces. Basically, it's a chair without the back. It is incredibly lightweight. It's not as comfortable as a regular chair, but it is very, very good. When I'm heading out for a long distance hike, I take the stool with me. For everything else, I take the chair. That is why I didn't have the feet attached to the chair when I set it up. I actually took those and used them with the stool, and they worked perfectly well. That really is a fantastic combo. For your regular camping trips, you can use the chair. When you need to go ultralight, you can use the stool, and you can switch the feet amongst the products. Two products that are both inexpensive, that work incredibly well, that solve serious problems when it comes to the outdoors. I don't want to have to sit on a wet stump or a wet log or a cold rock. I want to be comfortable when I head out on a trip. Those are luxury items that I like to bring with me when I head out. I want a nice place to sit after I hike all day sweating my brains out. You know what I mean? I want to work hard on my adventure, and then I want to relax. I don't want to deal with the struggle of finding a place to sit. Anyways, folks, that is my review of the NatureHike Ultralight camping chair. In the end, this is a fantastic product that I can easily recommend. It is an absolute go for $45. If you have found this episode helpful, hit the thumbs up. I do appreciate it. With that being said, if you want to support a channel that's completely agenda-free, that's not here to sell you products, a channel that doesn't promote other products for different companies, you could do so with the Outdoor Gear Review. Patreon, YouTube, you could join the Wolf Pack. Oh yeah. Until next time, everybody, take care, be well, strength and honor, be good.